Hey everyone, Pat Flynn here from Smart Passive Income. I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today we're diving into dropshipping, a fantastic way to make money online. It's a business model that's been gaining a lot of traction lately. Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding any inventory. This means you don't have to worry about storage costs or managing stock. It's simple. You sell, a supplier ships. You act as the middleman, focusing on marketing and customer service. This means less risk for you and a faster path to potential profits. You can scale your business quickly without the usual headaches. Dropshipping is perfect for beginners because it's low cost to start and easy to manage. You don't need a huge upfront investment. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're at a cafe or on a beach, your business is always with you. Plus, you're not limited by physical inventory. You can offer a wide range of products without worrying about storage space. Sound good? Let's dive into the details and explore how you can get started with your own dropshipping business today. First things first, you need a platform to sell your products. This is the foundation of your online business. Shopify is hands down the best option for dropshippers. It's a comprehensive solution that simplifies the entire process. It's easy to use and has everything you need built in. From inventory management to payment processing, Shopify has you covered. Start by signing up for a Shopify trial. This will give you a feel for the platform and its capabilities. Choose a catchy store name and a theme that reflects your brand. Your store name should be memorable and your theme should be visually appealing. Next, you need to pick a niche. This is crucial. Your niche will define your target audience and the type of products you will offer. What are you passionate about? Your passion can drive your business forward and keep you motivated. What problems can you solve? Identifying a problem and offering a solution can set you apart from the competition. Once you have a niche, add products relevant to that market. Remember, focus is key. Curate your product selection to meet the specific needs of your audience. Finding the right products to sell is crucial to your success. Focus on products with high demand but low competition. Think about trending items or products that solve everyday problems. Look for products with good profit margins. You want to make sure you're earning enough after expenses. Research suppliers thoroughly. Choose reliable suppliers with fast shipping times. Remember, quality is key. Selling great products leads to happy customers and positive reviews. Section 4. Driving traffic, getting people to your store. This is a crucial step in ensuring your business thrives. Now you have a store and great products, but how do you get customers? It's not just about having a great product, it's about making sure people know about it. That's where marketing comes in. A well-thought-out marketing strategy can make all the difference. There are many ways to drive traffic to your store. Each method has its own set of advantages and can be tailored to fit your specific needs. Social media is your friend. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are powerful tools for reaching potential customers. Create engaging content on these platforms. Share stories, post high-quality images, and interact with your audience to build a loyal following. Run ads to target your ideal customer. Paid advertisements can be highly effective in reaching a broader audience quickly. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is key for long-term success. It helps your store appear in search results when potential customers are looking for products like yours. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions and website content. This will improve your search engine rankings and make it easier for customers to find you. Paid advertising can give you a quick boost. It's a great way to get immediate traffic while you build your organic reach. Experiment with Google Ads or Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. Test different ad formats and targeting options to see what works best for your business. Section 5 Conclusion. Take action and start earning. Dropshipping with Shopify is a fantastic way to make money online in 2024. It's accessible, flexible, and has huge potential. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep learning, keep improving, and stay persistent. You got this. Now go out there and crush it.